Hey everyone, we are with Sunny Jain from Sun Genomics.
Hi Alan, thanks for having me on the show. I'm excited to talk about the microbiome.
So what do you think now as we come up with this conclusion and this wrap up about what Sun Genomics is doing? What exactly triggered you to want to do Sun Genomics?
So this is a very personal story for me, and it was a journey with my son. I actually started just with the software component of analyzing microbes of the gut, but then one day my son had a GI issue and we needed to find a solution. And I thought, why not test his gut microbiome and go pick up a probiotic? I thought the second was really easy, and I thought the first part would be the hard part, but it actually was the reverse. Picking up a probiotic was really hard to figure out because I didn't know which strains he needed. I didn't know if they were going to cause some worse GI issues than he already had, and I just wanted something that would seed, colonize, provide lasting effects. So I started testing probiotics to understand that before I gave him any. And that became the foundational data set for Sun Genomics to understand how you can make probiotics that actually provide health benefit back to us. And how you can custom formulate based off of the specific species of microbes identified in anyone's gut profile. So you can match them up and make personal formulations of probiotics. And I'm happy to report that even after taking antibiotics and seeing the shifts in these gram-negative microbes or these inflammatory microbes drive up after taking antibiotics, where theoretically those shouldn't have driven up because he's on things that knock down bacteria, but it knocked down the good and the bad, and the balance became off, right? And it let things just grow. And if we had let it go, we think that it could have led to some of these more severe conditions that they talk about in the scientific literature: asthmas, allergies, etc., and diabetes, obesity, and even some mood imbalances that they talk about. So we gave him probiotics, precision probiotics. And after taking the probiotics, we saw the knockdown of those gram-negative organisms and a restoration of good microbes in his gut. Even ones that we didn't directly provide began to come back up.
It seems to be that the analysis of the gut like you did, and then provide with precision probiotics on behalf of your son, doing it with this purpose of making sure that he's got a really good foundation moving forward, is something that let's figure out how to apply that to as many people as possible and provide that with that.
Yeah, once we understood that this technology could be used in this way, it became my mission at that point to see if I can help other parents, see if I can help adults understand their microbiomes and any issues that they're suffering from. And we found through conversations and health goal calls that a lot of people have GI issues that they don't necessarily talk about transparently. But when you have a private conversation with them, they begin to help explore and provide that information back to us. And then we can really empower them, right? And then we can really show them what their microbiome looks like and provide precision probiotics so they can take control, they can see how it's improving their gut and trend and track that information over time. And this is a little bit beyond just the traditional sort of food, diet, exercise recommendations that you would get. You can now actually take good microbes to provide to the other microbes that are living inside of us a restoration, if you will, in the event that something is off balance, or what they call dysbiosis.
Yes.
Our mission is really just to integrate microbiome health information into the daily lifestyles of individuals and cure dysbiosis by the year 2021 so that nobody has to suffer from these chronic conditions.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
And it started with your kid, and now let's see if we can get it to everyone to cure dysbiosis by even the early 2020s. Let's see if we can get it into the hands of everyone to be understanding what's actually going on in here and getting precision probiotics. Targeted towards that.
We're ready for this technology to really get to the masses and excited to help people.
And we're excited to have Sun Genomics as a partner with Simulation in the moving forward of biotech and precision probiotics into the world. We as this roaring media arm for you, and you as this roaring science arm for understanding what's going on here and providing people with that precision probiotic.
Thanks, Alan. I really appreciate the time.
Thank you, Sonny. We greatly appreciate you. We're all counting on you. Keep up the good work.
Thanks.
Thanks everyone for tuning in and hearing this out about Sun Genomics. Check out the link in the bio for more information, and we'll catch you soon.